AJansen is een Brabants bedrijf.
AJansen is a leading Dutch company with locations in Eindhoven, Rotterdam and Amsterdam. Our company's work covers infrastructure, recycling and concrete mortar. Den Hartog advised us to switch to Mobil lubricants.
Een besparing van motorolie.
By doing so, we achieved a saving of approximately 60 litres of engine oil per truck per year. In addition, we have been able to extend our maintenance intervals. As a result, we have saved on service and we generate less waste. Den Hartog offers what we also stand for ourselves: service and quality. The outstanding service and quality they offer is absolutely the reason why we chose Den Hartog.